Welcome to the Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP Manual, for single-point supply connections. This video provides regulatory compliance guidelines for builders, developers, and resident welfare associations, or RWAs. It is an authorized document based on the latest directives from HERC and DHBVN/UHBVN. Let's look at the four main pillars of compliance. Phase 1 is installation and handover. Phase 2 focuses on technical infrastructure. Phase 3 covers transparent billing. Finally, Phase 4 includes monitoring, accountability, and penal provisions. For infrastructure and sanctioning, all formalities for final load sanction must be completed within 45 days of the HERC order. Adequate electrical infrastructure construction is mandatory. The establishment of a 33 kilovolt switching station must be completed within 3 years of sanction. Mandatory handover of management to the RWA must occur immediately after the infrastructure work is complete. The single-point connection must be transferred to the RWA's name without delay. The handover checklist includes all original security deposits, bank guarantees, warranties of installed electrical equipment, and control of the internal grid. For metering standards, the main single-point meter and all sub-meters in the society must be checked and sealed by the M&P wing of the Nigam. A dual-register smart meter is mandatory to accurately differentiate between grid power and backup generator power for separate billing. The operation of the Mandatory Unified Billing Software, or UBS, is essential for enforcing HERC slab tariffs and preventing overcharging. The process involves consumer onboarding, monthly data upload of smart meter data, and bill freezing to ensure no manual modifications after generation. HERC tariff slabs must be strictly adhered to. Residents are billed based on progressive slab tariffs. The common area load must not exceed 15% of the domestic load, strictly enforcing the 15:85 ratio. Strict segregation of backup DG and common area maintenance, or CAM, charges is mandatory. Billing for grid electricity, DG backup and CAM must be separate, itemized, and transparent. It is strictly prohibited to deduct non-electricity CAM charges via the energy meter. Regarding consumer protection and disconnection rules, supply protection ensures that if a resident pays their grid electricity bill, supply cannot be disconnected for non-payment of CAM or other non-utility charges. The contact details for the local CGRF, or Consumer Grievances Redressal Forum, must be prominently displayed for residents to file complaints. Public accounts and audit rights require the Society to issue a detailed monthly statement reconciling the total amount paid to the DISCOM with the total billing sum collected from residents. Consumer rights include the statutory right to request an independent check of their meter's accuracy through the RWA after paying the prescribed fee. Monitoring and statutory audit involve a quarterly joint audit by the DISCOM's chief auditor to ensure transparency and compliance, including independent representatives from the Society. Local SDO offices are primarily responsible for the monthly monitoring of billing records, UBS data, and meter readings. The penalty framework includes legal consequences under Sections 142 and 146 of the Electricity Act, 2003 for developers and RWAs failing to comply with billing formats, tariff slabs, or infrastructure norms. Financial penalties can be severe, with clear provisions for fines of up to 6,000 rupees per day upon proven violation. Here is a quick summary checklist for builders and RWAs. Complete load sanction and infrastructure within 45 days. Ensure transparent handover to the RWA. Achieve 100% resident registration on the UBS portal. Maintain separate accounts for grid, DG, and CAM. Do not deduct CAM via the meter and share CGRF details for disputes. Strict adherence to these rules is the key to uninterrupted power and a dispute-free society.